Okay, welcome to this lecture talking about how clients like packages. In the last lecture, we talked about keeping your options simple, like In-N-Out Burger. You want to keep them to 1, 2, and 3, but now we want to talk about 1, 2, and 3 packages. So clients like packages. They like to see all of the services that they'll get in a nice, tidy little bundle. And this creates actually a couple of nice advantages for you. First of all, it's easy to scale. So when you show people the list out all the work that's going to happen in their packages, you can then use this in your production. So you be able to create a literal checklist that your team can work from each month. The second big benefit is that it creates accountability. This means your client will know exactly what they're getting and what they're paying for. When they see everything listed out in the package, they know what they're going to give you a check for. Also, it means that you'll know exactly what your team should be working on at any given time during the month when they're doing the work for your client. So it's a great way to create accountability, and this, of course, engenders trust. And we know that people do business with people they know, like, and trust, and this will lead to more referrals. That's what's great about it. It's one big benefit about having packages. What kind of packages you create are really based on the exact services that you want to offer. So let's say, for example, you really want to focus on social media. You could create packages that offer Facebook and Twitter posting together with LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, and more. And you can list out everything that you do down to the last detail. You're going to include what platforms you're going to post on, what kind of content you're going to post there, how frequently you're going to do that, and so forth. And some services, just to give you an example of some services that your company could offer, and again, this is something to think about as you're creating your offer now. You could offer to do reputation management like Yelp. You could do social media. You could do video creation and marketing. Those are two totally different things, FYI. Blogging and other content creation that includes slide decks, PDFs, white papers, and so forth. You could do website development. You could do mobile websites. You can do SEO, search engine optimization, or of course you can do a combo of any and all of the above. So the key, like I mentioned before, you want to consider niching down. Maybe you only do YouTube marketing, and you could even get more specific. You could do YouTube marketing for real estate agents, or even more specific yet, you could do YouTube marketing for real estate agents in the Bay Area. You might not want to limit it to a geographic region if you're limiting it to a particular niche. That's a bad example, but a good example would be YouTube video marketing for real estate agents, and then you can then go to different regions. You could go to Bay Area, you could go to Southern California, you could go to Boise, you could go to Seattle, you could go to Portland, New York, Austin, everywhere you want to go as far, great regions. But you can see quickly how when you niche down, it'll make it easier for you to get new clients. It'll help build your reputation and of course and increase your knowledge and experience, and of course grow your expertise. As a result of all of that, by niching down, your business is going to grow faster. So that's it for this lecture. In the next one, we're going to talk about how much to charge. And this is very interesting.